Skip the introduction and I don't care for a hook either. Matter of fact, just give me some rum liquor and good reefer. I won't talk about chicks, you got a good one, you should keep her. Mine's hold me down right like gravity do the good sneakers. I been told these cats that I had the recipe. Cooking tracks instead of the crack, I guess was my destiny. Still legit, handling shit. Myself come secondly. Take care of family, chill with youngest ex and just be me. With business being top priority, I do it excellently. Where they at? Show me the niggas that's trying to get at me. But now I'm cool wherever I choose to go. Now that's a G, 30 below, aka one of the coldest definitely. Real dudes act respectfully, haters can hang a effigy. Probably mad cause your girl put you on hold to check with me, but that's the game and right now, motherfucker, I'm referee. Take a look at my life and you'll see that there's no questioning why XZ running this shit like we got extra feet. Excel can't trust me in the studio cause I wreck the beat, and there ain't another motherfucker here that can compare to my complexity.